Hello grade 3s. Today we're going to go over our different parts of speech that we've learned already this year. We're going to go over nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. A noun names a person, place, and thing. So let's think of nouns that are around our house. Nouns that are around my house are a table, chair, candle, oven, salt, pepper, scissors, curtain, window. I'd like you to think of a few nouns around your house. An adjective describes a noun, right? So I can say the blue scissors, the pretty candle, the grey curtains, big table, right? So those are all words that are describing my nouns. I want you to think of a few adjectives to describe the nouns that you thought about. A verb shows action. It's a doing word, right? And verbs that I can think of are run, jump, jog, read, speak, laugh, talk. These are all action words. I would like you to think of a few action words. An adverb describes the verb. So, how do you run? I run quickly. How do you talk? You talk quietly. Laugh, how do you laugh? You laugh loudly. Remember, an adverb normally ends with an ly. I'd like you to think of a few adverbs to put with the verbs that you thought about. Okay, for this activity, you're going to need a pen or a pencil to write with, your orange homework book or a piece of paper. Then you're going to need a red pencil, a green pencil, a blue pencil, and an orange pencil. Okay, so what's going to happen is on each slide there's a sentence. You are going to write that sentence for me. You're then going to underline your nouns in red, your adjectives in green, your verbs in blue, and your adverbs in orange. Then once you've done that, you can go to the next slide and then your answer will be there. So I'm going to do the first one with you. The friendly cat sleeps peacefully on the big pillow. So I'm going to underline cat in red because it's a noun and pillow because it's a noun. I'm then going to underline friendly in green because it's an adjective and big in green because it's an adjective. And then I'm going to underline sleeps in blue because that's a verb and peacefully in orange because it's an adverb. It's describing the verb. Okay, now I want you to write this sentence for me, and then you're going to underline your nouns in red, adjectives in green, verbs in blue, and adverbs in orange. You can push pause if you're watching this as a video to write the sentence first, and then underline it before you go to the next slide. The little girl sings loudly to her favorite doll. Please underline the different parts of speech in those colors for me. Okay, the little girl sings loudly to her favorite doll. Girl and doll are the nouns. Little and favorite are the adjectives because little is describing the girl and favorite is describing the doll. And then your verb is sings and your adverb is loudly, describing how she sings. The strong boy walks briskly to the English class. Please underline the parts of speech in the different colors. Okay, let's check it. The strong boy walks briskly to the class. All right, your noun is boy and class. Then the adjective is strong because it's describing the boy. Walks is the verb. And briskly, how he's walking. Okay, briskly means to walk quickly. And that is your adverb. The brown horse ran quickly. Okay, the brown horse ran quickly. Horse is your noun, right? Then brown is your adjective. Ran is your verb. And quickly is your adverb. There was a big spider creeping slowly over the sleepy girl. Okay, there was a big spider creeping slowly over the sleepy girl. Spider and girl are the verbs. Big and sleepy are the adjectives because big is describing the spider and sleepy is describing the girl. Creeping is your verb and slowly is your adverb because it's describing how the spider is creeping. We saw the pretty girls talking quietly. Okay, we saw the pretty girls talking quietly. Girls is your noun. Pretty is the adjective. And then saw is a verb. And talking is the verb. And then your adverb is quietly because it's describing how the girls were talking. The handsome boy opened the brown door quickly. The handsome boy opened the brown door quickly. Boy and door are your nouns. Handsome is an adjective because it's describing the boy, and brown is an adjective because it's describing the door. Opened is your verb, and then your adverb is quickly because it's describing how the boy opened the door. The children were playing quietly in the beautiful garden. The children were playing quietly in the beautiful garden. Children and garden are your nouns. Beautiful is the adjective because it's describing the garden. Playing is your verb. And quietly is the adverb because it's describing how the children are playing. Well done, grade 3s. I'm sure you all did an excellent job and we all can't wait to see your work when we're back at school.